on where Bitcoin could end, not only by the summer, as you mentioned to us briefly last time, but 25,000 by year end.
Yeah.
Talk about the tax implications and what you see as suppressed the price in the short term and why then it could power ahead.
So yes, we think tax selling related to paying capital gains played a role in Bitcoin's weakness this year. We estimate that last year capital gains for all crypto was around 500 billion, of which U.S. households have 1/3 exposure to that. Historically, half of that's realized, which means that the tax bill owed is about $25 billion. First of all, that's a huge number for the IRS, because the IRS's single largest every year for receipts of capital gains was 144 billion.
Wow.
So this is a windfall for the IRS. But for the crypto market to see $25 billion of crypto liquidated to dollars, the historical ratio is 25 to 1. So we're talking several $100 billion potential effect from having to liquidate your holdings of crypto.
Is there an equivalent, do you see this in sort of more traditional asset classes, that you have weakness at this time of year when people have just made totally outsized gains and suddenly like, wow, there's a big tax bill I owe?
Yes, it does. But the problem is crypto, went from 17 billion to 600 billion.
This is such an anomaly. Tulips.
Yeah.
We have to find something similar to see the same kind of.
Yes.
The same kind
I guess
of
we'd
gain.
have to talk to the accountants during the tulip, the 1700s, and ask them, what happened to the tulip prices. Yeah.
So really interesting, and his prediction of $25,000 Bitcoin seems a little too high for me. If you've been following this channel, I've predicted basically Bitcoin at 20,000, but no matter what, I'll be happy, and it looks like we're on our way to that recovery. Hopefully the people that paid their taxes are done selling, and now it looks like people are buying the dip, and it looks like we got a bull market to come. If you've watched previous videos on this channel, though, my preference is better safe than sorry. I have been dollar cost averaging, and I've already bought a good amount of cryptocurrencies. So most of my additional cash will only be used to buy crypto if it actually goes below the 250 billion market cap low, which I don't think is going to happen, but if it does happen, I'll have additional money to invest. So that's my short-term plan for now. Let me know what you guys think, what you guys are doing right now. And if you haven't had a chance, I highly recommend set up a Coinbase, set up a Robinhood, and I would say it's a little too late, but you can still get in this market. But if another dip comes, if my prediction is right, where this is kind of like a trap, I would definitely take advantage and buy that dip. If not, whoever has been dollar cost averaging, especially the last 2 months, you're going to see some really nice gains. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you guys soon.